How to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys quickly how to easily stop Chrome from blocking your downloads. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome on your laptop and see if you are downloading anything. So head over to downloads by tapping on the top right corner and you'll find all of your previous downloads here. But if you are downloading something and Chrome has blocked it completely, then that means Chrome is conflicting with your security settings. For that, head over to the three lines at the top right and then scroll down until you find the settings menu. Click on settings, or you can just type in this URL to head over to your settings. On the left side, you'll find different options. Head over to privacy and security. And now from here, just click on your security. And if this is set on enhanced protection, it is a real-time AI-powered protection against dangerous site downloads and extensions that are based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So you can see all of these settings when it will turn on. So what you want to do is simply set this to no protection and turn off safe browsing. If you know that you are not downloading anything malicious, then you can just turn it off and continue with your download, because this security settings right here is conflicting with your download. So once you turn it off, you should be able to easily download whatever you are doing. And if you are already downloading something, it might continue right here. Or if you want to start over, then you can just start the download from the beginning. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.